Mario. We are now near your material side. My back side is material. This one is the front side. This structure is already done. This company. I don't know now. Is clear picture or not. And this company is using your material there. I see. For his purpose, I don't know. And this one is our material. You can see this one. He used this. All is throwing down. All material he threw down. All. Not one. I don't know how he using this material. If he using good and after that keep again here, it's okay. But he throwing down directly by, I think by excavator or any forklift. This also he throw down same. There are some materials upside on the before we put there, but mostly materially we throw down after use, throw down all. Same like this one before in pilot, but now on the downside. This one also same, and same this one. Is clear coming or not? You have to see this one. This steel beam, I think is using for structure. No crane as everything is there, is working now. 5-6 crane is working now.